Bukaroo Bob. I hope you have a fun time making it. So let's get started. So the first step you do making Bukaroo Bob is you'll fold this end of the paper to this side and make sure the edges are lined up, just like that. And And then after that, you'll unfold it and make, this is a mountain thing, so make it like a mountain like that. And then take this top corner to fold it on to here. And then the same thing on the other side. I like to flip it over. It feels easier for me, but you can do whatever you want. And then what you want to do is you want to fold it like this down to here, and make sure this is aligned with the crease. I don't know if you can see it, but the crease right there. And then crease the top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring this here on, you're going to bring this and fold it. So you do that, and then you're going to get this all the way up to the line, and then you're going to fold it down just like that, and crease every part of that. And then do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to flip it over because it's easier for me. And then make sure this is lined up. And then we're going to crease this side. And then we're going to fold it in half like this. So this stuff is on the outside. And crease. And wings, you're going to fold it so this goes here, kind of like a straight down move like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. And do that, and then fold this up. Do the same thing on the other side, fold it up. And now you have your paper airplane finished. Whee!